Hello, Ego family. It's Mother Ego here. And one of the members asked, what are the qualities when looking for a business partner? First of all, I wanted to mention what is business partnerships. Usually this is where two or more individuals come together for a business venture, and it's mainly for profit. Partnerships do have advantages. For example, you get to share the risks and reward, you get to share expertise, so you don't have to carry the whole burden by yourself. For example, you may be a good marketer and your partner may be a good administrator, so it kind of works out. They are also disadvantages, you're making sure you're on the same page. If crisis arises, how will you resolve that? Anyway, back to the question, the qualities of when you're looking for a good partner. First of all, think that this is a working relationship. You have to actually like the person. But you want someone who has a passion in what they are doing. So if it's construction, and maybe you're in construction and you're looking for a partner, you want them to have a passion in construction. You want them to be more motivated without needing extra encouragement, right? Because you don't want to take on someone as a partner and you have to monitor them and encourage them to actually get work done. That will be totally exhausting. You want someone who has integrity, who will stick to you, to their word, because when you discuss something, maybe in a meeting or whatever, when they go out there, they are representing you and the company, and you want to be sure that they'll represent you well and everything they're doing is for the best of the best interest of the company. You want someone who is committed and reliable, someone where you share the same values and vision, and this is where sometimes it gets real tricky with business partnerships, because yes, you share the same vision and goals, but they do change with time, so you have to have provision in your agreement. What will happen if along the way the goals change? They are not similar anymore, because you can be good for 2 years, then year 3 someone wants to do something else. They've either outgrown the business or they found some exciting venture and they want to move on. So there has to be provision for that. That's why I recommend, make sure you approach a lawyer to help you draft proper documentation to account for all these things. You also want a partner who is a good communicator, good at delegating, because that will help in expansion of your business, good at executing. When you discuss something that needs to be done, they actually go out there and do it. Because you don't want to just talk things out and nothing gets done. You want a good problem solver, a team player, someone willing to work together as a team, willing to learn, willing to listen, and overall, I guess you're looking for someone who understands the market you're going into, because what is their contribution in this whole thing? You want them to be able to understand the market, to understand the business you're going into, so that the contribution is really significant. I hope that helps. And again, these were the qualities of a good partnership. It's Mother Ego. Talk to you soon. Bye.